Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Carnes with Corrective Chiropractic. I just wanted to share a patient testimonial with our patient Dianna. She had stem cell therapy approximately 5 weeks ago. So I'm gonna let her share her story with you.
Hi.
So go ahead. So tell me, how is your knee? You had the injection 5 weeks ago into your knee.
Right.
Are
My knee's feeling great. It's like I never had a problem with it. I did have a prior knee surgery, knee replacement on my other knee. And actually I came to Dr. Mike for my back, and through conversation I was telling him about my knees, and he mentioned about the stem cells, and I was very interested because I didn't want to go through another knee surgery again because it was very painful and the recovery was awful. And I decided I would try the stem cell, and I'm very happy I did because the next day it was like I never had a problem with the knee, and I wish I would have known about it before I went through the knee surgery. And I'm very glad I did. It's been a wonderful experience, and I've had no problems whatsoever. It was very quick, very easy, and no problems so far. So
just tell me, a few weeks ago you told me you were able to walk. How far were you able to walk?
I was babying it for a little while, but I had to go to my granddaughter's soccer field, and you know how that is. You have to walk a great distance, and I didn't realize it, but I walked across a whole high school soccer field, which was kind of unbelievable.
That is
for me
unbelievable.
because I could barely walk. Getting to that point with my other knee that I could hardly walk, so it was a miracle.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Now, how do you find going upstairs and downstairs, or
No problem.
getting in and out of the car?
No problem whatsoever.
So, thank you for listening, and that's your corrective moment. And I'm telling you, this is fantastic work. We're really giving people's lives back.
Yeah. So I'm very grateful.
Thank you.